The dual absolute mode represents an improvement over the usual differential systems currently on the market from the point of view of repeatability and the influence of thermal and mechanical variations on the reference part due to continuous filling and emptying. In this mode, the instrument performs a measurement of the differential pressure drop between a test part and a reference part. The difference with the normal differential system is that a measurement is performed on the reference part at programmable intervals and not continuously test after test. This measurement of the differential pressure drop trend on the reference part is stored in the memory inside the instrument so that this trend can be used to make a difference with subsequent test parts. This allows complete or almost complete reduction of mechanical stress on the reference part as it is filled and emptied at intervals and not continuously. Tracking of ambient temperature variations as time goes by, the reference part adapts better to temperature variations, being empty for most of the time, thus allowing a differential measurement compared to test parts always faithful.